In this video, we are going to make two types of organic pesticide spray. The first is made from orange peels, while the second is made from garlic and onion peels spiced with hot chilies. Both pesticides are totally free, as the ingredients can be sourced entirely from our kitchen waste. Garlic and hot peppers are natural insect repellents. They pose no health risk to anyone. The pungent odor of garlic simply keeps pests away. Ants are also turned away by the strong odor of garlic and oranges. Gardeners face multiple challenges which they have to overcome to enjoy a good harvest. One major challenge all gardeners face is plant pest control. Organic pest control is what I choose to keep out unwanted pests from the garden. First, a quick inspection in the garden. Some pests are great artists, carving great designs on the leaves. These are clear indications of pest infestation. Some hide on the underside of leaves after displaying their creative designs on the top. Aphid infestation is indicated by tiny black flies on the underside of leaves. This cute caterpillar of the brown-tailed moth is poisonous, whose hairs can cause painful rash and other medical symptoms if touched. They chomp away the tender leaves of plants. Some plants remain stunted and don't show any significant growth because of pest infestation. My remedy 1 for some common garden pests. How to make orange peel pesticide. First, cut 2 oranges and eat the fruit. Orange peels contain oils that act as insect repellents. The active ingredient in orange oil is D-limonene, which is also in the rinds of other citrus fruits. In general, most insects hate citrus. Place all the peels into a glass or plastic container. Cover with 1.5 liters of water. If oranges are not available, use other citrus fruit rinds to make the spray solution and put a cover on the container. Leave the orange peel to soak in the water for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, the oils in the rind has now seeped into the water. Then use a funnel and a strainer to pour the fermented orange peel water into a spray bottle. This organic pesticide is effective against aphids, mildew, fungus, and mealybugs. Insects in general find the odor of orange oil offensive. The rind pieces, place them on a compost pile. Add another liter of water. This makes the total volume 2.5 liters of organic pesticide spray. This dilution is effective for even heavy infestation and is safe for your plants. We can make another dilution of this pesticide spray if the infestation is mild, and also for the second and third day of spraying. Aphids and mealybugs are not easily destroyed by one-time spraying, as this is an organic pesticide spray. Depending on climatic conditions, spraying daily for 4 to 5 days will give a better result and complete riddance of aphids and ants. Orange oil is especially effective at keeping ants away. Keeping plant pests away is one of the greatest challenges of every gardener. Look out for plants riddled with holes. The pests normally hide on the underside of leaves. Sometimes it is best to remove these leaves completely from the plant and dunk them in soapy water. The new shoots then will not be infected. Soap water kills them instantly. However, keeping a close watch and regular spraying of pesticides can give us some good results and a bountiful harvest. Remedy 2 for most common garden pests, which also doubles up as an effective organic fertilizer. In my opinion, garlic and onion pesticide spray is just as effective against plant pests as the commercial brands. To make garlic and onion peel pesticide, all we need is 4 ingredients from our kitchen waste. Next time, don't throw away your onion and garlic peels as they are valuable assets in the garden. I am also adding ginger peels to this pesticide to give it an extra boost of nutrients. The final ingredient to this pesticide spray is any form of spicy hot chilies. The chilies give the spray extra pesticide power. How to make garlic and onion peel pesticide spray? First, place all the peels and the chili waste into a glass or plastic container. Garlic and onion peel water is actually nutrient dense. They make excellent potassium-rich fertilizers for all our plants. Cover with 1.5 liters of water. Cover the container and store for 7 days. Check daily to release any gases collected by opening the lid and letting it escape. After 7 days of soaking, all the essence in the peels has now seeped into the water. Use a funnel and a strainer to pour the garlic and onion peel water into a spray bottle. This concentrated garlic and onion peel water is further diluted before it can be used as a garden pesticide spray. Add water to make the total volume 2.5 liters. Our concentrated pesticide spray is now ready. This garlic and onion peel water is also rich in calcium, iron, magnesium and copper. Here I am making another dilution of the garlic and onion water. This is to ensure that it is not so concentrated and cause harm to the plants in any way. As I am going to spray this water directly onto the plants. This garlic and onion peel water now can be used as a garden pesticide spray. Using this garlic and onion peel spray on our plants will increase their disease resistance, overall growth and productivity. Moreover, the plants will have strong stems and will look good too.
Friends, give these 2 pesticides a try and tell me in the comment section if it has worked for you. I will love to hear your comments and also how you deal with these pests. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching. Be blessed with abundant harvest and free from all pests.